Hi, this is Leo from the French high-tech media, Le Café du Geek. And we are here at the biggest startup event in the world, VivaTech 2026, and here in Paris, in France. With a partnership with AVING News, we are interviewing some of the most promising startups attending here. And right now, we are with RebuilderAI. Hi, nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you. Taemin.
Thank you. Can you introduce yourself,
my
the company, and also I want to know the story behind the company.
So my name is Taemin. I'm the sales and team lead at RebuilderAI. So we're basically trying to redefine how design from products are made. So from basically everything from designing to editing to 3D CAD to production ready outputs. So we're trying to define how things are made at the moment.
Okay, makes a lot of sense. And can you introduce us to the product itself? What is the software? Is it this
Yes.
brand?
So RebuilderAI. So basically, our software is called VRINGON. So VRINGON is the software that we're using at the moment. And in the software, so basically from just a sketch or a prompt, you can create a design. And from that design, you can create a variation of that design. And when you choose one of the designs from those variations, a 3D model a tech pack, or even content creation of the output can be created.
Okay, so very complete and very promising. And I want to ask you more about the milestone of the company you achieved up to today, because you have a big booth. So I can assume you are like more developed than early stage startups. So maybe in terms of traction, investment, or maybe go to markets.
Yes.
Where are you today?
At the moment, we have quite big investments from like companies like Neighbor or KB banks or different investment companies, VC firms. We are, as you can see from the booth, we have collaboration with a variety of companies from global brands like ASICS, MCM, which is a big luxury brand in Korea, or Dorothy, one of the biggest jewelry companies in Korea, and also Andre Kim, which is a very famous Korean designer that we have. But because our biggest customer and biggest investor is also ASICS, who has invested into our company for the service.
And one last question, still about VivaTech. What do you expect from the show itself? And what are your maybe next steps after VivaTech?
I think one of the next steps we're looking for is after VivaTech is, of course, getting the most leads possible to come and visit our booth, and also getting our service itself our name out there, so people know what RebuilderAI is and what even VRINGON is. Yeah. But after this, we're also looking at CES, and maybe next year we'll be at VivaTech again to showcase new technologies that we might have.
Yeah, nice. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for your answer. And I will see you next year at CES.
Yeah, I'll see you next year.
Until then, thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye bye.